Good morning, children. Today's topic we are going to discuss is atmospheric refraction. Atmospheric refraction. In this, what are the objectives we are going to see is first, flickering of object. Next, we are going to see twinkling of stars. Next, we are going to see do not twinkle. Next, early sunrise and delayed sunset. So these are the 5 topics we are going to discuss in this particular topic. What are those? Flickering of an object under the atmospheric refraction, twinkling of stars because of atmospheric refraction, why do planets do not twinkle, and why early sunrise occurs, and what is the meaning of delayed sunset. These are all topics we are going to discuss in atmospheric refraction. We see why do stars twinkle, why do planets do not twinkle, and we see why do early sunrise and early sunset occurs in this chapter, in this topic. Now we are going to see flickering of object, wavering of object. On any sunny day, if you see that some other place, hot sunny day on the road, you will see that some objects are moving. The same thing happens when you stand behind any flame. The people you are observing the other side of flame, you will see that they are shaking. This shaking phenomenon we will call it as flickering and wavering. This happens because of atmospheric refraction. So under any fire or any hot thing, here the air will be formed as a layers. This air will be the hotter than the above layer. And we all know that hotter air is less denser than the cooler air. So hotter air is less denser than the cooler air, and the above the cooler air is more denser than the hotter air. As densities are different, the respective refractive indices also changes. So every air layer will have the different refractive indexes. And here the atmosphere is not constant. This particular phenomenon means the refractive indexes of that particular region also continuously changes. Now you are standing here and trying to see the other side object. But as what is happening here, the refraction is continuously changing. Because of this changing, the object which you see from this side will seems to be the flickering. So as this is atmosphere, and because of change in refractive index, we are seeing the refraction. So this flickering is occurred because of atmospheric refraction. Okay, Nana? So what did you see that why do flickering occurs? The first reason is on just above the flame you will see the hotter air, above that cooler air, and densities also will be changed. Because of the density change, refractive indices also will change. Because of variation in the refractive indices, when you see from this side, you will see the other side object flickering. And this phenomenon we will call it as atmospheric refraction. But this is happening in the small scale. In the major scale, if you see, the twinkling of star is the best example. That is what we are going to see. The next topic. You can clearly see that a light ray coming from the sky is undergoing multiple refraction in the atmospheric layers due to the atmospheric refraction. So starts to twinkle. Now we are going to see twinkling of stars. If you have seen the earth is covered by the atmosphere, and this atmosphere is having the different layers of the airs, and densities of the respective layers also will be changed. So the refractive indices also, these layers also will be changed. Suppose some star is there here, and light ray is entering from this almost vacuum to the end, means rarer to denser. So it bends towards like this. So that light ray reaches to here. So the person who is seeing that, he feels that the star is here. Actually, this is the real position. Because of multiple refraction, what happens? You are seeing that star position is here. This is the apparent position. And you can take the star as point source, point object. As star is very farther, we will consider the star as the point source. So this point will be changed here and there. As atmosphere is also continuously changes, the position of the apparent position of the star also changes. Sometimes you will see the star is very brighter, sometimes thinner. So as this is continuously happens, we feel the twinkling of the star. Twinkling of the star is also the example of atmospheric refraction. But even though planets looks like stars, but planets do not twinkle. Why?
Planets acts as a extended sources of light. A group of single light sources can be called as extended source. So each light source undergoes refraction and overall refraction effect will be zero.
Why do planets do not twinkle? If you see, the planets are nearer to the earth when compared to the stars. Stars are very far, but planets are nearer to earth, and these planets are acts as an extended sources. Extended sources means, point source means it acts like a single point source. Extended source means group of points sources, we will call it as extended source. Group of point sources, we will call it as extended sources. So all individual points will will undergo the atmospheric refraction, but the overall average atmospheric refraction, this twinkling phenomenon, will be nullified and average changing of the position will be zero. That's why planets do not twinkle. So why do planets do not twinkle? Because the planets are nearer to the earth and they are extended sources of light. Extended source means group of point sources. Every point will undergo atmospheric refraction. But if we consider all the points atmospheric refraction, on an average the flickering will be zero. That's why the planets do not twinkle.
Now we are going to see early sunrise and early sunset. The early sunrise and early sunset also happens because of atmospheric refraction that we see now.
Now we see that the sun, if we see from the earth, this particular position we will call it as horizon. Means early morning, if you want to see the sunrise, we generally look at the horizon. When you see at the horizon, it is very beautiful to see the sunrise. But do you know, in fact, we are seeing the sunrise 2 minutes earlier. Yes, it is true. Even though did not sunrise, we will see the 2 minutes early the sunrise. Why it is happening? See, atmospheric gases are there. When sun rays are entering into the atmosphere, and because of the normal, it bends like this. It means the person sees the sun here. So even if you see that the sun is here, then because of atmospheric refraction, what does the person sees? Already the sun, even though it not come to the origin, is able to see the sun. This is because of atmospheric refraction. Even after sunset also, for 2 minutes you will see the sunset. Sunset is delayed. Why? Because even though sun has gone down to the origin, because of atmospheric refraction, you could able to see the sun even after sunset. So sunrise and sunset are occurring because of atmospheric refraction. Thank you.
So in this topic, what did we learn? Atmospheric refraction. So we have seen why do objects flicker on radiators or in front of fire camp, because of atmospheric refraction. But this is at minor scale. But at major scale, you can see the twinkling of stars occurred due to atmospheric refraction. And we also have seen that planets do not twinkle. Why do planets do not twinkle? Planets are nearer to the earth, and the planets acts as a extended sources of light. So overall flickering effect will become zero. That's why planets do not twinkle. And early sunrise and early sunset at horizon is due to atmospheric refraction only. So this is what we learned in this particular topic. Thank you.